Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Out in the Wild palette from Essence Cosmetics. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Again, I bought this palette just based off this shade alone, so yeah. I know, it's ridiculous, but it is a cute little palette. I did something kind of fun today. This side's not exactly like this side, but they're pretty close, so don't judge me. It's been a long morning so far. So yesterday I did go ahead and get a palette collection video filmed. I do need to edit it. It's at about 48 minutes right now, so yeah, I gotta like cut that down quite a bit. But I got my Ipsy bag yesterday and there were 2 products in it I was super excited about, like makeup wise. The other stuff was like skincare. So I got these 2 liquid blushes, which I used this one today underneath my foundation just to give like an under blush effect. But I also got this lippy and I actually have it on right now. It is so nice. It's just like it's kind of like a gloss but not a gloss. I can't even pronounce the name of that. Misho Beauty, something like that. But yeah, I got it in my Ipsy bag. I really like it. If I can find out more information on it, I'll definitely let you know in the next video because clearly I did not do my research on this. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try it? I thought it was really cool. I love the green, it's so pretty. I did want something a little bit more graphic today, but yeah, I thought it turned out really neat. Yeah, definitely let me know if you're gonna pick up the palette. I know that someone that is on here already picked up the palette because I talked about it in one of my other videos. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. My daughter and my dog are getting pretty restless, so yeah. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.